Problems commercial cleaning businesses encounter with LSA. Let's see what the problems are. What problems, you say? I thought you made it sound like the best thing after sliced bread. Yes, I know. There are problems you need to know about, which can be solved. 1. You are still seen only on a rotational basis, like PPC, so you may not be seen as much as the others, and therefore may not get as many calls. There are many businesses who set up their LSAs with inexperienced ad agencies, and are not getting any calls. Are you one of them? 2. You still pay for ads but at a much reduced rate, and the ROI increases exponentially because now you are getting calls, not just views or clicks. 3. Not all who apply are approved by Google to be shown. 4. Not all who are approved are shown. If Google approved 100, it shows 25, with 2 at a time on a rotational basis. 5. You might get up to 30% of calls that are inappropriate, and you are still paying for them. Now comes the good news. If you never participated in LSAs, or worse still if you did, and didn't get any calls, then listen up. I'll share with you how we overcome these negative odds for you. We have helped hundreds of businesses successfully get approved by Google. Problem 1 is therefore solved. Using proprietary methods, we make sure our clients have all the calls they could possibly wish for, by showing them on page 1, much more consistently than the competition. This solves the disappointment of being Google approved, but not getting any calls. Our most important distinguishing benefit is the fact that, A. We monitor the calls to see which ones were not appropriate. B. Get you a refund of up to 30% for calls that did not apply to your service or your location. This allows you to use that up to 30% of play money on some other form of reaching out to your target audience, and grow even faster. If these sound like good deals to you, connect with us quickly, and let's talk about your specific situation, and how you can move forward. Why timing is important, and why you must decide quickly. Here are the problems of not acting soon. 1. There are only 2 to 3 slots available, per location. So if another commercial cleaning service gets ahead of you, you just lost big time. 2. The approval process takes some time, and you are missing out on all those leads, calls and revenue when you prolong this. 3. As more time passes, we are reaching out to other commercial cleaning services in the area, who may take your spot and you'll be losing leads and calls to them. Connect at lsaforusa.com. I'm eager to get your feedback. Tell me what you think. I'll do something nice for you when you give me feedback. Thanks.